Cerise here, Cerise D Magazine. It is July and we are doing a summer roll. Summer spring roll, summer roll, roll. Okay, you guys, let's get going. We are featuring summer rolls in our July issue. We are gonna use this brand here. Now, if you don't have an Asian market in your town, please find one, or you could probably get these online at Amazon. This is the brand that I'm using, and these are rice paper sheets. They're really thin. It looks and feels like plastic, right? Okay, so we're gonna take a sheet of this. I've got a tray of water here. We're gonna dunk this in the water. It's a fine line. This is probably the most difficult part. You need your flat cutting board or your flat surface. This could be a silicone mat, this could be your wood cutting board, but it's a fine line between how much water you use and how much you don't use, because if you use too much water, it'll get super sticky, and if you don't use enough, it won't be pliable enough. So you can hear it like paper or plastic, but it's not, it's edible. Okay, so let's get started. Let's talk about what we're doing. So we are gonna do a summer spring roll, which I've already pre-rolled some here. I've got one with chicken, one with salmon, and one with shrimp. So our ingredients that we're using, we've got vermicelli rice glass noodles. We've got some spring onion, right? And I've put these in like little thin slivers. We've got slivers of cucumber. We've got romaine lettuce, which is usually the base. We've got carrot. We've got red cabbage. We've got avocado. For those of you who like avocado, I hate avocado, ugh. But everybody loves avocado except me. And then for our protein, we've got salmon that I grilled this morning. Now for the salmon, I did fry it in a pan, or shallow fry it in a pan, and I did the skin side up, and then I flipped it and did the skin side down, and I did remove the skin. Then I've got some shrimp that I've sauteed, but you could totally use shrimp cocktail shrimp. You don't have to do this. You could buy shrimp cocktail from the store and use that. And then I've got some grilled chicken breast as well. All right, so let's get going. We're gonna take our rice paper sheet here. I'm going in 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna drain off this excess, not too much, and then I'm just gonna kind of soak it here on the board or press it down on my board. The first thing I wanna do, I'm gonna go in with my rice noodles, and you can see when you cook them, they kind of all stick together, so I just take scissors and I just cut them in like kind of small strands where I can use it easier. Okay, and you're gonna fill this with as much as you want, right? So rice noodles, romaine lettuce. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of carrot. You don't want to overfill. Okay, so you just need a little bit of everything. My red cabbage, I'm just doing 1 sliver of green onion. I am going to take some of this fresh basil. I'm going to use 2 leaves of fresh basil. And then for you avocado people, I won't take this one. I'm going to do avocado and spread these slices. Now I did go ahead and squeeze lemon over these so they wouldn't get messed up. And then we're going to flip our first here, and I'm going to hold here. And then I'm going to go in and add my protein kind of in this next row. So I'm going in with my shrimp, and now I'm flipping and holding at the same time. And when I flip and wrap, I'm going to fold my corner up, and then just continue to wrap, and then I want to see my protein here on the top. Okay, let's keep going. Dunk it, flip it, dunk it, flip it. Let it get on your board. We're gonna go in with glass noodles. And whatever you don't like, then don't use it, okay? Or if you like something different, add something different. So this one, I've got the carrot, I've got the cabbage. Oh, I forgot cucumber on the last one. I do want cucumber on this one. And I do want that spring onion. That spring onion, you would think it may be too strong, but it really is not. This one, let's do salmon. So for the salmon, you can see the top side here with the seasoning on it. I'm gonna put it face down. Put it face down. And so I am going to flip all my veggies. And I'm gonna tuck my salmon. And I'm gonna roll, I'm still rolling, flip my edges. And you can kind of tell when you have overstuffed. This one I feel is just about right. And these are kind of big. Now you do need to know, these rice paper sheets come in different sizes. This is a 25 centimeter. I think is the good size, but if you want these smaller for bite-sized appetizers, then use the next size down. I'm not sure what size that is. And then there's a size even higher. So there's a bigger one. Okay, so let's talk about our rice noodles or our glass noodles. We bought several different brands, and when you go to your farmer's market, they're sticking to my finger. When you go to your farmer's market, there's sections and sections of everything, right? And so when you get to the aisle that has the rice noodles in it, there are so many different brands. So this is a vermicelli bean thread. There are different ones. So this one is by Asian Taste. This one is Wawa or Wei Wei. But there's like literally so many different brands. So what we did was we picked several, and the first one we opened is the first one we went with. Some of them give you the directions on how to cook it, and some of them have zero directions. Like this brand, it doesn't say how long to cook it. It doesn't give you any cooking instructions. But the one we went with, know this because it's kind of funny. It says, put these threads in cold water and boil them for 5 minutes. Now, what does that mean? Put it in cold water and boil them. So anyway, what we ended up doing was we took the noodles, put them in a bowl of cold water, let it soak for just a couple minutes, and then we drained that water out, put new hot boiling water in, let that boiling water sit for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the max, and drained it out, and then this is what you get. All right, so let's get some noodles down. Let's get a piece of romaine lettuce. We're gonna get some carrot, a little bit of our red cabbage. It's so pretty and so refreshing. And then to round out our section, we're gonna go with another chicken. We're going to take our wrap and we're going to wrap this. Ooh, I forgot the onion. Put the onion in there, need him. And we're gonna wrap the veggies first, and then now we're tucking the chicken a little bit closer. And as I roll up, I'm tucking my edges just like a present over, and then we are wrapping. Wrapping, wrapping, and then we get the thing, and then you just tuck that in, and it's like glue. It just kind of glues itself. Okay, so next thing we need is our dipping sauce. Let's get that going. Okay, so for our dipping sauce, we are doing two different dipping sauce. The first one, our main base, is going to be this Kewpie mayo, and I'm not giving you any measurements because I don't know it. You can see I am just pouring with my heart. Okay, so this one is going to be Kewpie mayo, a little rice wine vinegar, sweet chili sauce. So this one is more of our spicy one, or with a little kick, I should say. If you want more of a kick, put more sriracha in it. And of course, you're going to taste and adjust as you go. So we're just gonna stir this one up. It really is delicious. I mean, sweet chili sauce is delicious just by itself, but you add that Kewpie mayo and then a little bit more spice with the sriracha. The rice wine vinegar adds a sweetness to it. really, really sweet. Okay, that's our first dipping sauce. Our second one, our main base is peanut butter. Now, I'm allergic to peanut butter, so I'm using sun butter. Sun butter, okay? But you can use peanut butter. So sun butter is made with sunflower seeds instead of peanuts, obviously. Okay, so we got our butter, sun butter. I've got coconut aminos. I've got honey. And I've got fish sauce. All right, let's give this a mix and a stir. This one's more creamy. And if it's too thin, add more of your sun butter or peanut butter. There we go. Okay, we've got our two dipping sauces, and they are equally delicious. Let's go in. Make sure I pull the one without the avocado. Actually, I can't even see which one had the avocado in it. So if I make a face, oop, that's avocado. I see it. Nope, I don't want that one. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. So the shrimp summer roll, I'm gonna go in with some of that Thai peanut sauce. So good. And this is mine, so let me see. Just in case somebody else wants some, I'll just use a spoon and spoon on some of this one. Now, I'm not a spicy person, but we made this earlier in our test run, and it was not too spicy for me. That's good. So good. So refreshing. Light. Okay. We will catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching Cerise D Magazine. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our page. Please leave a comment as well. Thank you guys. See you next episode.